If I had to start making money online in 2026 with no followers, no money, no connection, just a phone and internet, here is exactly what I'll do. Not theory, not hype, a simple realistic plan. Now, a lot of people want to start making money online, but they are overwhelmed. Too many tools, too many tutorials, too much noise. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact path I'll take if I had to start from zero today. No, this is not a get rich quick video. This is a build something real video. Hey fam, welcome to Wisdom World, where we build wealth with wisdom. If you have been part of this journey, I say thank you so much. And if you are new here, I make videos about AI, side hustles, and online businesses, especially for Nigerians who are looking for real results. So hit that subscribe button because what I'm about to share could be the turning point in your journey. Step 1. I'll stop chasing everything. The first mistake beginners make is trying to learn everything at once. Video editing, graphic design, forex, AI, affiliate marketing, drop shipping. No, that's the fast way of staying broke. If I had to start from nothing today, I will choose one direction and commit for 90 days. Yes, I'll put everything in it for 90 days because clarity makes money faster than motivation. Step 2. I'll choose a skill with high demand. If I had to start today, I'll choose one of these: short form video editing, AI content creation, YouTube script writing, thumbnail design, or social media management. Why? Because businesses and creators always need this. Businesses and creators are looking for this. You can go to YouTube and learn them for free. Step 3. I'll use AI as a leverage. AI does not replace beginners. It only speeds them up. If I'm to start today, I'll use AI to generate ideas, to research faster, to write scripts, and to create content. And also it helps to learn faster. Here's the key. AI is not a business. The skill itself is the business. AI is just an assistant. Step 4. I'll build in public. Here is where most people hesitate. If I had to start today, I'll start posting immediately. Not perfect content, but clear content. I'll post what I'm learning. I'll post the tools I'm testing. I'll post the mistakes I'm making. And I'll also post my small wins. Why? Because content brings about connection, clients, opportunities, trust, and visibilities. You don't need to be an expert to document your progress. Step 5. First online income path. If I had to start today, my goal wouldn't be passive income. It's going to be an active income. I would offer services like video editing, writing, AI assistance, and channel setup help. One small client can change everything, and confidence will begin to grow once income starts coming in. Step 6. Recommended learning resources. Since I don't have a course of my own yet, here's what I'll do. I will learn from free YouTube tutorials. I will learn from trusted creators. I will buy cheap beginner courses, and then I'll also join communities where people are actually building. The goal is not to buy everything, but to find one clear system and then follow it. If I recommend anything, then it is definitely a tool or program that is going to help a beginner. No hype, no fake promises. Trust me. Step 7. What I would focus upon. If I had nothing from just starting out, my daily routine would be simple. I will learn for like 1 to 2 hours. I'll practice 2 to 3 hours. I'll post content, and then I'll reach out to potential clients. It is not glamorous, but very effective. And then I'll repeat the same as often as I can. Now, most people who fail online fail not because there are no opportunities, but because they are not consistent long enough. So You don't need expensive gear. You don't need thousands of followers. You don't need perfect confidence. All you need is direction, consistency, and patience. If you want more videos like this, real strategies, simple breakdowns, no hype, then subscribe to this channel. And then in the description, I'll be leaving a link to a particular course, a course that I sincerely recommend if you're just starting out or you're a beginner. It is a very, very good course to start with. So I'll be leaving the link to the course in the description. Okay, so start small, stay consistent, efforts compound faster than you can ever imagine. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.